Director, may I request our principal ma'am to kindly welcome sir. A round of applause, please. Welcome sir. We are honored to have you here with us today.
First of all, I welcome Anil sir also. He is assistant post director. Hema ma'am, assistant commission previous RO, was our post director. She is not coming due to some administrative reasons. She will come. She will come at any time. So today we are going to start, and you know that the title is that content enrichment and capacity building. It is very important. For a teacher, it is very important that you keep on learning, because the changes in the society are very fast these days. Society is changing at a very speedy rate, and you know that education, what is education? Education is to prepare the students to lead a meaningful and successful life in this society. So until our students are able to keep pace with that in society, they are not, our purpose is not fulfilled. That's why the teacher also has a challenge, that teacher has to upgrade herself or himself. So that's why Sangathan has introduced this program of CPD, and workshops and capacity building programs are being conducted, so that you are upgrading yourself. You are not means lethargic, or you are not satiated that I have learned everything, I am master of my subject. Nobody can be the master of the subject, because learning is so wide, and there are many developments in every, especially in the field of science. Every day there are new researches, new development, new innovations. So the teacher has to keep pace, because the students we have, it is the age group that is 15, 16, 17 like this. So they are very curious, they are eager to know everything about it. If they are interested in the subject, they would ask you the questions that are really very deep, and they need deep knowledge, means thorough knowledge they need. So that's why we means KV Sangathan, they continue to organize these type of workshops and programs, so that you are updated. And at the same time, it is an opportunity for all of us to interact, to meet, and we may know each other, that in that school he is the person who is teaching physics, she is the person who is teaching physics, or chemistry like that. So it has that social importance also, that you come to know with each other, and you interact, you learn. And because some are new, some are experienced, some of you have just joined last year, some of you are 15, 20 years experience. So this is a heterogeneous group, I would say. So you can interact and you can learn a lot with that also. So on behalf of RWFYelahanka, I welcome you all, and I hope that today's workshop will be very fruitful for all of you, and you will enjoy your stay in our school. Enjoy in the sense, if we are learning something, if we are getting something useful, that means we have enjoyed that time. And your stay will be comfortable, and you will learn a lot. So I welcome you, and thank you very much. And now we'll proceed to the program. Thank you.
Thank you. Before I hand over the stage to Anil sir, a quick riddle for all our participants. If you know the answer, please don't give it away. Just put your hand up. This should be as easy as cake for you. I pull everything down, yet you cannot see me. Who am I? One hand went quick. That was very quick. 2 hands. 3. Something is stopping the hand from going up. That is your answer. Can I have the answer? Gravity. All the best, everyone. Have a fruitful experience. Over to Anil.
All of them are willing to
Gravity is pulling.
Good morning to all of you. To start, we should speak on the real ground. I am not a good speaker like madam.
Everyone is a good speaker.
Okay, thank you. Okay. See, the content enrichment and the capacity building program we are here. Content enrichment inductive we are seeing. I am not personally, I am not supposed to say, even after that, I am not personally feeling that content enrichment is that much required. Most of us, all of us are almost touched that part. Content is okay with us, but our problem is that how to deliver it, how to cope up with the new changes happening around us. Okay, fine. We have a lot of, I can see that some of the people, teachers sitting here are more senior to me also. Maybe some of them may be joined as a PGT before 2002. I joined 2002. So I can sense that. So anyway, that content enrichment is there. The problem is that whenever there is a change, we are struggling to cope up with the change. Because of that, we are not able to deliver in an appropriate way. Because of that, we are not able to produce the result. There is no other reason I am thinking. Okay, fine. So anyway, I can see that some of the teachers already, with the PGT, they already adjusted with such situations, such techniques. So here basically the 2-day workshop content enrichment that is there. Even after that, we are more into the new techniques. What the changes around that we will understand. By understanding that, how can we cope up with that? Sometimes with the techniques may not be adjustable for us because we are used with some different kind of technique for around 15 years. So that also, I also joined in 2002, and after around 2010 to 11, if somebody is saying me to no, this is not the way, it should be the way, then I will start to argue. That was, I still remember that one because we are thinking that this is the thing. But sometimes we may not be recognizing that some changes are happening around us. Maybe in the form of pattern or question, maybe in the form of expectation of CBSE, maybe in the form of new education policy. Sometimes we will miss that part. So because of that, though we are very good, we are having perfect in subject grip, even after that, sometimes we are not able to deliver. So there are different techniques. In this workshop, we are more focusing to that one based on the question paper because content again and again I am saying even after that it's that much not required. But we will see if somebody is having some issue, please open and because all are here. If I am standing here and speaking, I am taking a session and suppose you are asking a question, if I am not able to handle that, it means maybe because of that not lack of exposure to that particular point or concept. Of course, with respect to me, I am saying that I am very much sure that I will say no, I am sorry and I don't know if somebody else is able to explain, should explain. My approach is like that only, my attitude is like that only. If I am getting something from somebody else, it's okay. Suppose I know the things, but somebody else can do the things in a better way. So I prefer that. Okay, fine. So anyway, we have to cooperate with each other. My request is that probably senior teachers are also there, juniors are also there. Sometimes always saying the senior teachers should cooperate. It is not like that. Juniors are coming with a lot of inputs, so they also will start to fight.
And Mr. Sandeep was given atoms, nuclei and wave optics, and Sailaja Madam was given ray optics and dual nature of radiation and matter. And Gugan sir was given being the senior most teacher of the region. Gugan sir was given CBSE evaluation tips. This year the paper is unpredictable, everybody knows, but unpredictable is predicted. In my opinion, I predicted that the paper is going to be unpredictable. Definitely it is going to be unpredictable. I predicted and I told my students also. So in that way, the paper is unpredictable and which is predicted. There were only I think 3 marks which are direct questions. 67 marks beyond the scope, means beyond our expectations. We never thought such questions would come in the examinations.